You already are what you want to be. Listen to this quote by Neville Goddard: "You are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it." Meaning, any version of you that you want to be is already lying dormant inside you. It is only your strong identification with the current version of you that is stopping the transformation. Now, if the desire to become a new version arises from the premise that something is wrong with the current version of you, this is the pitfall right here. This label that something is wrong with you and you must fix yourself. There is nothing to fix. We are all perfect 100% all the time. But this is not to say that the desire to experience a new version of us means that we should try to fix ourselves. No, there is nothing to fix, because trying to fix yourself will create a constant reality of you trying to fix yourself and never being satisfied or happy. Don't fix yourself, just drop this version and choose a new one. Remember, we are spiritual beings playing characters, meaning we are not the character, we are actors playing the drama of life. So why try to fix a character when you can just choose a new one? Right? This implies that you just want to experience a new reality, and there is nothing wrong with the current reality. Remember, there is nothing inherently good or bad in this world. It is our mind that labels things as good or bad, so there is nothing really wrong with the current version of you. It is your mind's dissatisfaction with it which creates the misery. There are plenty of people who would love to trade your reality with theirs. You see what I am trying to say? Don't fight this version, don't change it, don't hate it, accept it, and then choose a new version. From the book, Reality Transurfing, by Vadim Zeland, a quantum physicist, a reality model is presented that also quantum physics agrees with. Simply put, there are infinite world lines, which from Neville's perspective, it simply means that creation is finished, so all exists right now, everything, and your every decision chooses a new world line or a new reality for you. Since our decisions are not drastically different from each passing day, so the change in our reality is not huge, and the new world line looks more or less the same as the old one. But get this, you fighting with the current version of you holds this current reality in your experience, because you fighting with it or trying to change it means you believe in it, you give it your attention, so guess what, it stays, or it invites even worse world lines due to the predominant mood of dissatisfaction of what you are or what you don't have. This is the reason why you shouldn't try to fix yourself, but rather just choose a new world line, be a new man or a woman. All it takes is a decision. For example, I am overweight and I hate it, so I want to change myself. Nope, wrong approach. Instead, say, I want to experience a slim version of me. I want to play a certain sport and be agile. Imagine yourself looking good in your new suit that could never fit the current version. You see, you are completely disregarding the notion that something is wrong with the overweight you, which is just a mental label, and you are completely living in the reality of the slim version. It is our fight against what we don't want which keeps the wanted away from us. But it all becomes easy when you understand that your choices create a new reality for you every single day. We always end up fighting with what is, and it keeps perpetuating it. We don't have free will, meaning once we are in a reality or character, we must play it. We can't change an already written world line or script, but we have freedom of choice, meaning we can choose a new world line and accept the existing world line completely and play this existing script as is while mentally living in the new world line. You see, if you fight with the world line, you give it legitimacy that it is real as it has your attention. It's like arguing with a toddler, he won't quit unless you smile and do not react. So stop fighting and choose, don't change the current script, write a new one. Don't resist what you are, but choose your new love. This is why perfectionist people are rarely happy with themselves, because they are consistently fighting against the imperfections instead of just being content with it and choosing better. We came into this world to experience life and its challenges too. It can't be utopia as it loses its whole purpose. A movie with no drama is a flop. So, understand what you are and what your power is and utilize it wisely. Have fun choosing rather than being miserable with what is. Being miserable creates more misery, as that is the world line of misery. What is the world line of happiness for you? What does it contain? What activities would you be doing in that world line? Identify with that, and you won't be disappointed. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.